PI Expert gives you several ways to document and share your design once you've created it. You can share by URL, share by downloading a PI Expert design file, or simply export a soft copy to PDF. If you want to document the entire design and have it ready to print, and you know you're ready because it shows at the upper right that the design has passed, you can click on File and then Export All to PDF. Now that we've downloaded the PDF, let's take a look at it. First up is the schematic, followed by a lot of the power supply details and parameters. Parameters for the input stage, average input current, some of the PI device variables. For example, what's the current limit, RDS on. Those are all listed and you can get an in-depth info about the design. As you scroll down, you can see more parameters on the design. All parameters are provided in full detail. Next, we get to board layout recommendations. Those are numbered here as well. Bill of materials, so all the components in the design. The transformer construction report. Mechanical diagram. The building instructions, which includes the list of materials and winding instructions, of course. Building preparations, finishing instructions. Electrical parameters associated with the design, as well as full comments. The next section focuses on the component parameters, including winding parameters, core, coil, former parameters. And then finally, we get into the electrical test and design specification details, including the design evaluation parameters. The design evaluation parameters also include the pie chart for the losses, as well as the line chart, and then any further notes that have been annotated in the design. Everything the tool has to offer is documented in this PDF. But maybe you want to share the design itself so a partner can work with it and modify it. You can't do that with a PDF. So you have a couple of options. You can either share the link with URL, or you can download the PI Expert design file. To share the design, go to the File Manager and click on the design you just created. Let's start by annotating to add design notes. For this example, we'll note that it's a 65 watt design. So that's 20 volts at 3.25 amps. Once you've clicked and selected the design, you can then click Share. When you click the Share button, the design is indicated as shared. Next, you can click the Get Link button, and you can copy the link to your clipboard. Now you can conveniently paste the link into an email and share it with your colleague. The colleague can click the link, a URL, and be immediately directed to your design. It won't just be the PDF, but the actual design. If you later decide to stop sharing, simply click the Stop Sharing button. You can see that the shared is no longer indicated. A third option is to select the design and then download it. Once downloaded, it's saved as a PI Expert UDS file. That's an extension for a PI Expert design file. Simply copy the UDS file and share it with your colleague. They can upload it to their machine and they're good to go. To get started on your design today, visit power.com.